How to buy Nina token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert before investing in any project that you find on my channel. Please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, the Nina fair launch live now. So this token, it's on pink cell, as you can see. So if you click on their official website or click on this link, so if you click on their official website, as you can see, you will see this website here. So if you click on buy on pink cell, you will be redirected to pink cell platform. So first of all, connection wallet, I will just say the Bitget wallet for that. So as you can see, switch the PNB smart chain. As you can see, click on approve. Now here type how much you want to buy. So you need to buy the BNB to be able to buy this token. So after you buy your BNB on your wallet, click on buy here and a pop-up will be appear here on your wallet to complete the buy process of that token. So this is how to buy Nina token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.